Welcome to our channel. Today, I'll teach you guys the difference between TikTok story and TikTok video. Alright, most people think they're the same thing, but they are not. Your TikTok video is not going to be deleted after 24 hours, as a TikTok story will be deleted after 24 hours. So let me show you guys how this thing works. So first, if you want to post TikTok story, you want to go on Recess and Dogs, and in Dogs at the top, you can see the button called Create. This is for creating story, not for videos to click on Create. And anything you create from over here is going to be on your story, which means after 24 hours, Steve will be deleted. So I will take a random photo, and as you guys can see, this option called your story, click on it, and then it's going to be uploaded in your story. As you guys can see right now, it's being uploaded, but after 24 hours, this will be deleted. So as you guys can see, this is my story, and after 24 hours, it will be deleted. Now, that is basically what TikTok story is. Whereas your, post videos, it's going to be available over here. So everything you see in this page is basically your post video. So this is not going to be deleted after 24 hours. Alright, and if you want to upload a video, you want to click on the plus at the bottom and just record a random video over here like this. And over here, you want to click on the stick mark, and it's going to be uploaded. As you guys can see, this is my story, and this is the video. You can see the difference in story. It says story at the top. In video, it doesn't says anything. So that's the difference. You have to understand. That's basically what TikTok and post videos are. If you guys found this video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel.